Ayan, maraming salamat po. Maikling statement lang din po bilang bahagi ng ating nagsama-samang mga koalisyon na nagsasabing ang impeachment trial ay dapat nang ituloy at huwag nang i-delay. Nakita na po natin sa survey, 7 out of 10 Filipinos gustong humarap si Sara sa mga paratang sa kanya. The people have already spoken and they want the impeachment trial to proceed. The people want Sara to face the charges against her. Bakit patuloy na nagbibingi-bingihan na naman si Senate President Cheese Escudero sa kagustuhan ng mamamayan? Is the price of the Senate presidency to be paid by the death of justice? Ang presyo ba ng Senate presidency ay hustisya? We also note that the Supreme Court resolution asking the House to explain whether the constitutional procedures have been met. We respect the Supreme Court and pray that they will, in the final score, defend the Constitution. Sa harap nito, hindi pwedeng saved by the bell si Senate President Cheese at maghahanap na naman siya ng palusot para sa further delay. Senate President Cheese must not hide behind the Supreme Court to escape his constitutional duty and shield himself from the will of the people. The Senate must convene and hold the trial forthwith, agad-agad. Sara must answer the serious charges against her, kaya no more excuses, no more delays mula kay Senate President Cheese. Maraming salamat po.